Friday morning, April 3rd. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the month of April, the monthly chart. You can see the pattern clearly and the time, so I don't really have to go through this. We've done enough of these where you understand this chart setup by now. But you can see for the most part, early in the month, we're banging between the 10 lines, other than the little dip here, which happens on the weekend on Sunday. Then we're back hovering around the 0 line until we break down on the 13th, bottoming on the 15th, up to 0 on the 17th, down to the 18th. Those are midnight to midnight. Biggest push up in the bullish territory is there to the plus 15 area on the 20th, then back between the 0 lines for the rest of the month. We'll go over the blue line spikes on the weekly videos. I'll put the coming week out probably Monday morning.